Good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn the lesson Spices of India. Here in India, spices are the soul of food. Here, the word soul means very important. Without these spices, our cooking will not complete. Okay. These spices in our food are added to balance nutrition and to keep us healthy, and also it gives flavor and nutrients to the dishes without fat or calories. Okay, now we are going to see the spices. Okay. uh, have you ever watched most of the time our mother, um, most of the spices used in cooking every day? Okay. Which can easily be seen in our kitchen. Here we going to see some of the spices in this picture: cardamom, pepper, turmeric, nutmeg, mace, ginger. Okay, then cinnamon, chili, curry leaves, and nutmeg. Okay, these are some of the spices we are using in the food items. Here they say the people use the word curry, spicy curry. The word curry comes from the Tamil word curry. Um, then they says these spices are comes out uh, from the plants in a different ways, like flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds, and bulbs. Okay, then it gives a great variety of flavors like sweet, sharp, hot, sour, spicy, aromatic, tart, mild, fragrant, or pungent uh, flavors to the food. Okay. And also these spices makes us want to eat more, isn't it? Now we see, apart from the delicious food, we can these spices bring to our mind the adventure. Why? Because in those days people are had a race between themselves for the spices, and then in 1492, Columbus went west to find India and pepper, but ran into America and the chili. Then Vasco da Gama came to Colicode, reached Colicode. There he found pepper, and he exported this pepper to his country. And also the spices were always an important part of India's trade. Spices were traded with many other countries, along with perfumes and textiles, as far back as 7,000 years ago. And also, the thousands of years ago, people were using these spices in cooking and also in Ayurveda medicines. Okay, but nowadays we can get these spices easily near our shop. But during the Middle Ages, a pound of ginger was worth the price of a sheep. Pound means 450 gram. Okay, but nowadays if you go to the shop that go to the shop which is near your house, if you give 10 rupees or 5 rupees to the shopkeeper, you can get the yeah, get a handful of ginger. But in Middle Ages, people bought a 450-gram gingers worth as the price of a sheep, or then a pound of maize was equal to the price of 3 sheep. Yeah, if they want to buy a maize, they have to uh, pay the money that was equal to the price of 3 sheep or the half of the price of a cow. But nowadays we can get these spices very easily in our near shops, home near shops, even 5 rupees or 10 rupees. Okay. Here they says pepper was the crown jewel of all spices. Pepper was the crown jewel of all spices. Okay. Here you see the word pepper was the crown jewel of all spices. Uh, Along with pepper and mace, the cardamom, cloves, ginger, and mace and nutmeg were some of the other spices that left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. Okay, not only in India, it is uh, making the food delicious in all over the world. Okay, using spices in cooking has a long story. Okay. um, and nowadays, and not only nowadays, spices have played a vital role in our food for a long time, but in earlier centuries spices were not easily available, and they were very expensive to buy. Okay, so thus spice trade has become very rich, and the pepper and cinnamon no longer cost a fortune. While they seem to have lost their glory and value, they will never lose their place in a kitchen. Okay, especially in Indian one. Okay, now we're going to see the black pepper. Black pepper was also known as black gold. Okay, black, already we saw it is a jewel of all spices. Now we see it is a black gold of gold was it known as black gold. Okay, and it was most prized spice traded in Kerala coast in those days. um, Indians have been using these black pepper for a very long time, uh, and also it is trading to many countries. Uh, Romans in those days, Romans sent 120 ships to India to export to these pepper in enormous quantities. Okay. Here you see about cinnamon. Cinnamons, cinnamons are using for added flavor to food and also to preserve the food. Okay, we can see in Chinese writings they wrote about this cinnamon in 2700 BCE, before Jesus Christ. Now Indians have been using cinnamon for a long time. Okay. Okay. Then people from other parts of the world appreciated the fragrance and also its taste. Okay. um, and Greeks and Italians and the Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. uh, in the Middle Ages, the Venetians grew rich by taxing the cinnamon that was brought from India to Europe and the Mediterranean. Okay. Next, here, do you know one of the earliest plants that Indians grew was sugarcane? It is a valuable both for providing energy and taste. Okay, that's all. This lesson we will meet in another class. Thank you.